Okay, is this a real structural patio system or just a shade product?
So it's not a shade product, yes, it's an architectural extruded aluminum. What does that mean? Extrusions, aluminum, it's closed pieces. They're not open, they're not coiled, they're not clamped together. It's a true piece, all one die. So your engineer can stamp it for a structural patio. Patio is overhead, which is very dangerous if you're doing some kind of kit that is not engineered or some kind of awning or structural that was never really taken into engineering standpoint and able to do what you want to do in your backyard.
Oh, so kits don't guarantee safety.
Kits don't guarantee safety, no.
But structural does.
Structural does, yes.
Got it. And then what do you mean by a true beam? I keep hearing this.
So this is a true beam. Beam is closed all around, and then you connect all your other components. It gives you more capabilities. A non-true beam is where there's one wall on one side and the wall here is open. Like imagine like an L, right? Like kind of like a gutter system. That means your top piece, which is this vertical, is just held by your corners, but there's not a closed content.
So here you get 4 points.
4 points of content. And if you have an L, it's just 1, 2, 3. So your stability, your capabilities drop. On the kits, usually, your length drops to 16. Why? They start moving. So a true beam, you can do bigger stuff.
When you say capabilities, what can you do?
Capabilities, span of post to post, 24 feet, sides and back. So you can do massive patios. You're able to attach into a house and run, if possible, engineer allows you can do one post on one side. You can upgrade to an 8x8 1/4. You can cantilever usually up to 16 feet.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yep.
And then why should these homeowners care if the system uses a real beam or not?
Why they care? Because their project will not be accomplished. If you have a drain in this point, now you can't put your post there. Now, the biggest thing about a true beam and a not true beam, I'll show you. This is the biggest difference. If this was a complete beam and a non-true beam, that has to be in the corner. Remember, because if not, it's gonna flap. With our beams, you can position your post even in this position and cancel the post on the side. With a non-true beam, you won't be able to cancel the post because you don't have that stability on your corners. We have a corner beam that you can connect another beam and you can essentially be a cantilevered on the side, or if you have a pull and you're too close, now you want to scoot your post back, you're able to scoop your post back, and if it was a non-true beam, the corner cannot be exposed, the post must be in the corner.
So what I'm hearing is a true beam gives you the options as a homeowner to get what you really want, not what you're forced to have.
Not what you're forced to have, correct, yes.
And so what's the difference, while we're talking about beams, what's the difference between an 8 and a 10-inch beam?
8 and 10-inch beam really comes down to what you want to see in the front, your face. Plus, if the capabilities need to grow, you have to grow your beam. You can also sandwich beams and do nice stuff with that too.
Thinking, because it's a lot more customizable, can I mix a louver with an insulated?
You can have an insulated roof on the right side of your patio, finish wherever you want. And you can continue with a lattice or a louver patio on the other side or in the middle, wherever you would like to do. All we need to do is put a beam divider and you can change the design completely. So that's a huge design capability that you can do with true beams, true posts with an architectural system.
Got it. And with an architectural system, do those come with like gutters and everything I'm gonna need for like waterproofing, all of that stuff?
Yeah, 100%. You can do gutters on all of our systems built in. There's a gutter right now here. Yep, and you can waterproof it. You can put it on your insulated panel as well and waterproof it. It's not even visible on the insulated panel design, and here they're all around.
Well, my friend got a louver and I went over to his house. I can see the ugly motor. Do you guys have that?
So yeah, so most system out there, the motor is visible, it's sticking up. Like, yep, it's right on the face, it's sticking up, it's pretty ugly. Depends on your patio size. Our motors, first of all, they're low profile, so they're sitting low. So that's much more aesthetic. They don't jump up in the air with an ugly bracket. And you can see our motor is in the middle of the patio. So if you have two bays, we can position the motors in the middle and you won't see it from the sides.
Ah, because then it's almost invisible.
It's invisible. It's underneath, all over a beam in the middle of your patio.